Welcome to Advantage Lumber, TimberTech Railing Edition. We're here with the man, Christy Guzman. He's the East Coast Rail Market Manager for TimberTech. Today we're going to talk about order form. Railing is one of the most intimidating parts of building out your deck, and TimberTech makes really easy with the order form.
Great. So for every one of our railing products, we cover vinyl, entry-level vinyl, composite, aluminum, PVC, and steel railing. Every one of those railings has an actual order form. So what that means is it actually has a printout that takes you through steps 1, 2, and 3, how to order each railing. So yes, as Greg said, it is very intimidating when you're talking rail SKUs and how SKU intensive it is. But when you're talking about taking you through step 1, 2, and 3, and it's almost foolproof because you can't get to step 2 unless you finish step 1. So it actually walks you through how to order any of our railing products with these simple PDF forms. They are editable as well, so you don't even need to print them out if you wanted to. You could edit them right on your computer and then ship them off to Advantage Lumber, and they can have a bill of materials for you very soon.
One of the number one questions we get when we contact TimberTech is, where's the drawing? We have one here to show it. Why is it so important to have the drawing?
Yeah, so it's important to have the drawing because we actually take your drawing with dimensions, you tell us what you want for the railing, and then we'll actually redraw it, color coordinate it with all parts and pieces. So without having that drawing, we don't know exactly where the posts are going to go. So with that drawing, we can actually place the posts, place the rail sections and the top rails, color coordinate them, give them back to you with a full redrawn drawing, but plus a bill of materials with all the SKU numbers listed for you. So without that information, we cannot do any of that. But with the drawing with dimensions, you're going to get back a nice, beautiful drawing, redrawn, and then the bill of materials on top of that.
So this is as simple as like a help me to help you. Give us the drawing, we'll get you a takeoff.
Exactly.
Our experience so far has been excellent, by the way. We typically get it with, 24 hours?
Yeah, so 24 to 48 hours max. I stick by the 24 hours for most of the year, but sometimes when we get really busy, 48 hours tops. But yeah, you send it to me and we get it back to you within 48 hours. That's still pretty good, but for the most part, it's going to be 24. And I will say, it's the easy button for railing because there's a lot of SKUs. It's SKU intensive when you're talking railing, but if we can get that takeoff back to you in a timely manner, and then you can get it in your customer's hands with pricing, you're going to sell that job 9 times out of 10.
All right, you hear it here first. Give us the drawing, we'll give you a takeoff. See you next time at AdvantageLumber.com.